Alright, hey guys, it's your boy Peggy Penguin 360 here, back with another video, and today we're doing the guess the sound, noise, thing challenge, and yeah, so, let's get started. So basically I have to guess a noise that plays. Alright, let's see here.
So we're going to play them all. I think they're about 10 or so. We're going to play them all at first, and then we'll go back and let you guess. Okay. Here we go.
That one's easy.
Okay. So do you have any guesses right away?
Okay, so just restart it, I guess. Well, I have some, but I don't know for which one, so. Have you heard all these? Okay, I think that's like a baby elephant or like a baby giraffe screaming, I think.
The very first one?
Yeah.
I think it's really two different noises. Don't let the first one blend into the second one. Hold on. Let me do it over here just so you can...
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what was that one?
It's like wooden tiles like smashing into the floor.
Alright, that's your guess. Wooden tiles. Alright.
Hitting the floor.
Tiles hitting the floor. Okay.
Alright, next one.
Okay, you ready? I'll run that later. I'll put that in the thing. Okay, ready? Hold on.
Okay.
It was...
It was a scream.
This thing.
It's either a baby giraffe or baby elephant screaming, I think.
Okay. Alright, next one. Oh, not that one. The one before that one. Okay. Oh.
Okay, so.
Yeah, that one.
I'm speechless.
Not sure?
It might be like animal feet stomping the ground. I'm not sure.
Okay. Do it one more time. Okay, here we go.
Oh, I think that's like zebras running or something.
Zebras running.
You're just right. Zebs running.
Okay. All right. Okay, next one. I think you'll get this one. Do you already know what the next one is?
No. Gun.
Oh. Listen one more time.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was what it was. Balloons popping.
Balloons popping. Okay, hold on. All right, next one. Ready? Hold on. Not part.
I know.
Okay, so. All right, so.
Oh no, wait.
You can play it again if you want. Here.
It's like. Hold on. I don't know what that is.
Okay, not sure.
Hold on, wait.
It's kind of a hard one.
Oh, I didn't really get it on there, but okay, so play it one more time.
Okay. Let me get to it. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave a question mark. That's the only one you don't really have a guess for. Okay, I think you'll get the next one.
Water splashing.
Yes, good job. Okay.
That one's easy. I hope you guys can hear that audio, by the way. I'll just play some right here.
I'll be able to put it in, too. All right, next one.
I think that's like people's... Oh, no, that's like, you know, those little plastic things with bubbles on them.
Oh, like bubble wrap?
No, wait, it's not that. I think it's
again?
like...
Here.
I think it's like animals or like people stepping on balloons and then them popping.
Okay. All right, next one.
Just about me. Literally me.
Doing what? What were you doing that with?
Microphone?
No, listen. Hold on.
I know that one.
Hold on.
Wait, is that from me? Oh, me, soullessly screaming into a spinning fan.
Yeah, you got that one. I'll let you know that one right away. Yes. Okay, so that was Puggy Penguin. All right, next one. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Barfing.
Oh.
What?
Okay, listen.
Water draining?
Close. Here, one more time, and then we'll...
Toilet flush?
Okay. Toilet flush? Is that your
No, water draining.
Water draining. Okay. All right. I think this might be the last one. Ready?
Okay.
You hear it again?
Like an elephant stomping on concrete.
Here you go. Listen.
Stomping through a wooden floor.
Wood floor. Okay. All right. That's all I have. They were your guesses, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. You ready for the reveal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's see here, guys. Y'all ready for this, brother?
Okay. You didn't know it's
See, I didn't know all of that was me.
It sounds like you. Max drinking water.
How was I supposed to guess that?
What do you think? It was tougher than you thought,
I
right?
would have got most. I don't know. I mean, I don't know, because like if I knew it was me, then it would have been easier.
Gotcha.
So.
All right.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I did terrible. I only got one right.
It was hard. It was harder than we thought.
Like and subscribe. Ring that bell so you never miss another one of my videos. And merch link in the description. And see you guys in the next video. And bye. Have a great day. I'm trying to literally stop recording. Bye.